It's time to take a look at another pair of true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Let's get started. What's up everybody? Welcome to the Phase Reviews YouTube channel. My name is Jordan, and if you are new here, thank you for joining us, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today on the review table, I have earbuds from a company that I've never worked with or tested their products before. This is the Naenka Lite Pro. This is a compact pair of true wireless earbuds with a really attractive case design, and we're gonna see today if the sound quality lives up to their design. We're gonna talk about everything that comes in the box. I'm gonna show you what it looks like when you pull it out of the package, and I'll give you my real world experience using this product over the past couple of weeks. Now, before we get started, if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you become one, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And we won't waste any more time with that. Let's jump in to talking about these Naenka Lite Pro. So the first thing I always do on this channel when it comes to earphone reviews or any tech product review is to talk about the packaging, because it can say a lot about the company and how they value their image. And this is one of the better packaged sets of earbuds that I have taken a look at. It's got a nice kind of glossy logo on the front. It does say "the best gift," ... so we will decide if this truly is the best gift. You can see that it's kind of a diagonal opening package here. On the back they have a photo along with a couple different product highlight features right there, and it looks decently good. It's a nice hard cardboard. It's not gonna like get damaged if you throw it around. It's not just in like a chintzy regular Amazon box. It comes packaged pretty nicely, which I like to see. So if you pull off this outer sleeve, again you have the name Naenka, I believe is how you say it. And you open this up like that. It's almost kind of like a watch box. And again, it's like nice, thick, hard cardboard, which I like to see. And the first thing you're gonna notice is the case for the earbuds themselves sitting right there on the top. This is a completely circular kind of disc-shaped design, and it is tough to get out of this package. I put it back in so I could show you how it looks in there. And just because the edges are so round and smooth and slippery, getting it out of the box takes a little bit of time. It's got a nice glossy finish, you can see, which means it is prone to fingerprints, but it does look very modern and classy. I do like how thin this is. You know that I value thin earbud cases, so you can slip them in your pocket and take it with you. You have USB-C charging on the back, and then on the front you have a little indicator light that tells you when the earbuds are charging or pairing to your phone, okay? Magnetic closing, nice satisfying click when you close it. And all in all, I really like the case design. The circle is a little bit odd. I would prefer like a square, but I do like how thin it is, so I'll give it props for that. Also inside the box, you have your usual little accessory box, and if you've watched any of my videos before on these earbuds from Amazon, Chinese earbuds, you can probably guess what's in here. Of course, a tiny little USB charging lead, USB-C right there. And then you also are going to get your user manual. And this one, let me take a look here. Yeah, this one I would say is actually a manual. It's not just like a single product page overview. They actually do walk you through all of the functions here, how to pair, how to unpair, how to use the different functions. And there are a few specs on here, although the specs, I'm just gonna tell you, they're honestly the same for every pair of headphones I ever receive. In that it's 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz as far as the frequency range. Let's see, negative 42 dB microphone sensitivity, Bluetooth 5.2, V5.2, so the most updated Bluetooth specs, which is what you want, when this video is recorded, that is. And the spec that everyone cares about, which is battery time. You get 5 to 6 hours per charge on the earbuds themselves, and then the case holds an additional 20 hours. So the first charge plus the case, 25 hours total time. Not the greatest, not the worst, pretty run-of-the-mill as far as your battery life. And that's all that's in this accessory box. Because there are no additional ear tips, because these, like Apple AirPods, just have a plastic tip that goes in your ear. There's no foam or rubber covering. You just put this straight into your ear as is. I'm going to set this box off to the side here for a second. We'll open up this case again, and I'm going to pull this one of these out and give you a little close-up look there. It's got the old AirPod design. It has the non-rubber, non-foam tip there, the little stick. It does have a button on the outside, which is just touch sensitive. It's flush. You don't actually click something. The rod is touch sensitive, and that's how you go back and forward, play, pause, yada yada. If you pull both of these out, they pair to each other, they pair to your phone. I think by now everyone knows how to pair Bluetooth earbuds to your phone. The first time you do it, if you're the first user, you literally just take them out of the package, open up your phone settings, they will appear, you click them, and you're paired, good to go. These can be used individually, so if you want to put one away and talk on the phone with a single earbud so you can, be aware of your surroundings, you can do that with these, or you can use them together in tandem. They're very lightweight. They have a smooth finish, kind of glossy, just like the case, but no rough edges, nothing that would, turn me off to these. And they feel very comfortable in the ears. You can kind of see how they look in my ear there. Put this one in as well. There you go. And it makes a little noise when you put it in your ear. I don't know if it has an accelerometer or something, but it knows what it's in. And they feel good. They don't block a lot of ambient noise like the rubber tipped ones, so maybe that's better for hearing your environment. But they feel good in my ear. They're very lightweight, and I've had no problem wearing them for a few hours on end, just working around the house and at school. So I'm gonna pop them back in the case. The most important thing people wanna hear in a headphone review is the sound quality, and unfortunately these fall a little bit short for me compared to a lot of the other offerings I've looked at. They're by no means terrible. They definitely have a fuller sound. I hate weak, thin headphones that don't have any bass or low mid-range. No problem with that. These have some good amount of bass, despite not having the foam or rubber seal in your ear with the ear tip, but the mid-range is extremely muffled. For those of you that aren't like audiophiles or know much about audio, the mid-range is your vocals, and a lot of music happens in those frequencies right in the center. And for these, it just feels like kind of a blanket is over the mid-range frequencies. If you're not someone that has ever trialed a bunch of headphones, you may not even notice. To me, it stood out immediately. And so if I was hoping for sound quality, these would not be the headphones that I reached for first. But again, you've got to weigh what's important to you. For these headphones, they've got a great looking case, a really slim design, and they're pair relatively easy. And the headphones are lightweight and don't hurt your ears when you wear them. So a lot of pros, but sound quality, obviously important with earbuds. These just have kind of a muffled mid-range. Now, if you care more about bass, maybe it won't even bother you. But if you're someone who likes a nice balanced sound, you might want to check out something else. But all in all, that's the Naenka Lite Pro. If you do want to pick some of these up or read more about them, I'll include a link down in the description. You can go check it out there. And again, I would love to have you as a subscriber. I will keep bringing you guys reviews of tech products. Hopefully you like them. You can subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.